To transfer funds to a Morgan Stanley ATM locator, you will need to follow a series of steps. First, you need to locate a Morgan Stanley ATM near you. You can do this by visiting the Morgan Stanley website and using their ATM Locator tool. Simply enter your location and you will be provided with a list of nearby ATMs. Once you have found an ATM, you will need to have your Morgan Stanley debit or ATM card with you. If you do not have a card, you can contact Morgan Stanley customer service to have one issued. Next, insert your card into the ATM and enter your personal identification number. Select the option to transfer funds and choose the account you want to transfer from. You will then need to select the account you want to transfer to and enter the amount you want to transfer. Review the transaction details to ensure everything is correct. Then confirm the transfer. The ATM will then dispense a receipt and the transfer will be complete. It is a good idea to keep the receipt for your records. It is also important to note that there may be fees associated with transferring funds at an ATM. So be sure to check with Morgan Stanley before making a transfer. Additionally, be aware of your account balance and any daily transfer limits that may apply. By following these steps, you can easily transfer funds to a Morgan Stanley ATM locator. Remember to always keep your account information and card secure to prevent unauthorized transactions. If you have any issues or concerns, you can contact Morgan Stanley customer service for assistance.